Welcome to HomePan TriPro, your go-to destination for all things kitchen and culinary. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your cooking game, the Made in Cookware 6-piece stainless steel set. If you've been searching for professional-grade pots and pans that can truly perform, stick around, because this might be exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's talk about what's inside this essential set. You're getting a 10-inch frying pan, a second 10-inch stainless clad frying pan, an 8-quart stock pot complete with its lid, and a 2-quart saucepan, also with a lid. This configuration is, as Made in states, essential for every kitchen. It covers the bases for searing, simmering, boiling, and sautéing, making it a versatile foundation for a wide range of culinary endeavors. The core of this cookware's appeal lies in its construction. We're talking about a 5-ply clad design. This means multiple layers of metal are bonded together, typically stainless steel and aluminum. The genius of this is how it leverages the strengths of each material. The aluminum, known for its excellent heat conductivity, is sandwiched between layers of stainless steel, which provides durability and a non-reactive cooking surface. This 5-ply construction is what enables superior heat distribution, meaning your pan heats up evenly and responds quickly to temperature changes. This is absolutely critical for achieving consistent cooking results, whether you're delicately sautéing vegetables or searing a steak to perfection. Another feature that deserves special mention is the Stay Cool handle. In my experience, this is not just a marketing buzzword. Made in has meticulously crafted these handles to remain cool to the touch even when the pan is hot. This is achieved through thoughtful design and material choice, and they are securely fastened with stainless steel rivets, promising a lifetime of use without wobbly handles. This attention to detail contributes to a safer and more comfortable cooking experience. For those of you with modern kitchens, especially those embracing induction technology, you'll be pleased to know this set is induction compatible. The inclusion of a top layer of 430 stainless steel ensures that these pots and pans will work effortlessly on any cooktop, including induction, gas, electric, and even in the oven. This broad compatibility means you don't have to worry about whether your new cookware will work with your existing setup. And let's not forget the origin. These pieces are expertly made in Italy. This is not just a point of pride, but it also speaks to a long-standing tradition of craftsmanship. The materials are sourced domestically and imported, and the manufacturing process is carried out with a focus on quality and precision. When you hold these pans, you can feel the weight and the solid construction, a testament to their Italian heritage. Now, let's break down the pros and cons, as no cookware is perfect for everyone. On the positive side, the 5-ply construction delivers exceptional heat distribution and responsiveness, which is a game changer for controlling your cooking. The build quality is superb. These pans feel substantial and durable, suggesting they are an investment that will last for years. The Stay Cool handles are a very practical benefit, making cooking safer and more comfortable. The induction compatibility is a huge plus for many modern kitchens. And the fact that they are made in Italy by a reputable brand adds to the appeal and perceived value. The set offers a solid collection of essentials for everyday cooking. However, there are a few considerations. Firstly, stainless steel cookware, especially high-quality clad stainless steel like this, does require a learning curve. It's not non-stick, so proper preheating and oiling techniques are crucial to prevent food from sticking. This might be a departure for those accustomed to non-stick surfaces. Secondly, while this is a 6-piece set, it might not cover every single need for very advanced home cooks or those who frequently cook for large crowds. For example, a larger sauté pan or a smaller saucepan might be desirable for some. Finally, Made in Cookware sits at a premium price point. This is not budget cookware, and the quality does come at a cost. In conclusion, the Made in Cookware 6-piece stainless steel set is a fantastic option for anyone looking to invest in high-quality, durable, and high-performing cookware. The 5-ply clad construction, the thoughtful design elements like the Stay Cool handles, and the Italian craftsmanship all contribute to a product that excels in heat management and longevity. While there's a learning curve associated with stainless steel and the price is an investment, for those who value culinary precision and want cookware that will last a lifetime, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.